Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the question, is Emma a free app or does Emma charge fees? The straightforward answer is that the Emma app is free to download and use, but it also offers premium subscription tiers that come with fees. The free version provides essential financial tracking features. You can connect your bank accounts and credit cards to see all your transactions in one place, monitor your spending, track subscriptions, and set a basic budget. However, Emma offers paid subscriptions, typically named Emma Plus, Emma Pro, and Emma Ultimate, for users who want access to more advanced tools. These premium features usually include things like unlimited linked accounts, more detailed custom budgeting and tracking, advanced analysis of your net worth, the ability to view the app on the web, and reduced fees on certain optional services like autosave or foreign exchange fees on investments. The cost of these premium tiers varies based on the plan you choose and whether you pay monthly or annually. Generally, annual plans offer a discount compared to paying month to month. In summary, Emma is free to start and gives you core money management tools. If you need or want the more powerful, in-depth features, you will need to pay a subscription fee for one of their premium plans. You are not automatically subscribed to any paid plan when you download the app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.